In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on your computer. Whether you're managing a full inbox or just want to keep track of your remaining space, knowing how to view your storage can help you stay organized and avoid running into problems when your mailbox fills up. First, open your browser and go to mail.yahoo.com if you're not already signed in. Enter your Yahoo email address and password, then click Sign In. Make sure your credentials are correct, and if you're prompted for a verification code, simply follow the instructions to confirm your identity. Once logged in, you'll land on your Yahoo Mail inbox. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon, that's your settings menu. This icon gives you access to all of Yahoo's customization options. From the drop-down list, select More Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage your Yahoo Mail preferences in detail. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, you'll see several categories like mailboxes, filters, and themes. Scroll down until you find the Storage section. Go ahead and click on it. Here, Yahoo Mail will show you your current storage usage, including how much space you've used and how much is still available. This information helps you understand whether your inbox is nearing its limit. If you're running low on space, consider deleting old or large emails, especially those with heavy attachments. You can also empty your spam and trash folders to free up additional space quickly. To make inbox management easier, try enabling filters to automatically sort incoming emails into folders or set up auto-archiving for older messages. These small adjustments help you keep your mailbox clean and prevent storage-related issues in the future. Once you've reviewed your storage capacity, you can return to your inbox by clicking the Yahoo Mail logo at the top left. Keeping an eye on your usage every so often will help ensure you never miss new emails because of a full inbox. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check your Yahoo Mail storage capacity and manage your space efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.